Hi guys, John with GardenProTools.com. Just here to show you that the sweeper wheels do work on the bristle brush attachment by EGO or other manufacturers. I get asked quite frequently, do the bristle brush attachment work with sweeper wheels? And the answer is yes. I know I feature this a lot on the paddle broom attachment, as a lot of people enjoy this attachment for getting the sand and gravel out of their yard or stones from plowing. And you can do the same thing with the sweeper or with the bristle brush attachment. It's just, please know the bristle brush attachment is designed more for hard surfaces opposed to soft surfaces. But the sweeper wheels can assist you in getting a little more clearance so that brush isn't digging into the ground and giving you a lot of kickback. You know, I get a lot of people that tell me, you know, they've don't enjoy using this attachment if it doesn't have the sweeper wheels on it. So just gonna do a quick review here and show you guys. Got a little bit of snow in the driveway. You can see I took a couple sample passes there. It's nice because you can use this one-handed. That makes it a lot more mobile, having the sweeper wheels on the bristle brush attachment. So I'm going to do this one-handed, so that should be a real good testament to how much easier this is opposed to not having the sweeper wheels on. Now I know a lot of people might say, well, I can clean it quicker with a shovel, but you know, sometimes you have paver surfaces like I do on my sidewalk over here. And you want to try and get it scraped right down. You know, the sweeper wheels are going to be a great way to get it out of those cracks if you're looking for that zero tolerance of snow. So, all right guys, just a quick video to show you that the bristle brush attachment and the sweeper wheels do work very well with each other. You have plenty of clearance on either side in between the wheels, so it fits in between the gap for the sweeper wheels. And like I said, these are fully adjustable. You can see in there the different holes that you can adjust your wheels to. So if you're interested in the sweeper wheels attachment, please visit us at GardenProTools.com. All right, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.